Hello, everybody. I want to share a story with you that really hits home for me, and maybe it will for you too. It's about an elephant and a rope. Picture this: you're at a circus, and you see this massive elephant tied to a tiny rope, barely strong enough to hold a chair in place. The elephant could easily break free with just a tug, but it doesn't. It just stands there, calm, not even trying to escape. Why? Well, when the elephant was a baby, they used the same rope to tie it down. Back then, it wasn't strong enough to break free. Over time, the elephant learned to believe that no matter how hard it tried, it couldn't escape. That belief stuck, even as it grew into one of the strongest animals in the world. Here's the thing: how often do we act like that elephant? How often do we let old beliefs, the ones that told us we couldn't, hold us back?
I've been there. For years, I carried this belief that I wasn't good enough to pursue my dreams, that success was for other people, not for me. But you know what? Those beliefs were just ropes that no longer had the power to hold me down unless I let them. So I want you to ask yourself, what's your rope? What's the belief you've been carrying around for years that's keeping you stuck? Is it the fear of failure? The idea that you're not talented enough or smart enough? Here's the truth: you're stronger now. You're capable of breaking free. Take one small step today. Challenge that belief. Test that rope. You might just discover that the only thing holding you back is you. If this story resonates with you, subscribe to my channel for more inspiring stories like this one. Let's work together to break free from the ropes that no longer serve us. And in the comments, let me know what's one belief you're ready to let go of. Let's encourage each other to break free and step into our strength. You've got this.